Okay, our first question came from Mr. Jonel Tepait. Okay, is he connected, partner? Yes. Sir Jonel, put your thumbs up. Okay, so there he is. His first question is this. What is the maximum rating of the molded case circuit breaker to protect 10 horsepower squirrel cage induction motor rated at 230 volts, 3-phase, 60 hertz with a full load rating 28 amperes? Okay, so we are given already the full load rating. No? This make it easier. Okay? So, mapapadali ito kasi given na yung ating full load rating, or this is what we call the full load ampere of the motor. Okay? Actually, our only basis is this 28 amperes. Okay. What is the size of the maximum rating of the molded case circuit breaker? So, always remember, if we are sizing a circuit breaker or a fuse, we are already sizing the maximum, no? The maximum rating. So, let's say this is our motor. Okay? Based on the National Electrical Code in US and also based on the Philippine Electrical Code in our country, no? It's just the same provision, no, in terms of sizing this circuit breaker. So, we are talking here of a licensure exam, no? Board exam pinag-uusapan natin dito. In board exam, no, if we are sizing a circuit breaker, this circuit breaker, our multiplier is 2.5. 2.5 multiplied by the full load amperes. That's how are you going to size. That is the size, maximum size of the circuit breaker. But if you are sizing a fuse, let's say you are sizing a fuse. Say this is a fuse. What is the size of the fuse? The size is 3 multiplied by the full load amperes. That is, okay? So, I want to give you the formula of the full load ampere of the motor. Let's say our motor is single phase. So, the full load ampere of the motor, the full load ampere is actually our line current. That is the line current, full load line current of the motor. Meaning, the current that will flow here. That is your input current. That is your line current that is equal to the full load ampere. Okay? Although the line current, it can be under load, it can be overload. Okay? So, we have this formula. We have here horsepower times 746 divided by the voltage multiplied by the efficiency multiplied by the power factor. So this is our formula for the single phase motor. Take a look here. So that is our formula for the full load ampere. For the case of the 3-phase motor, this is single phase. For the case of the 3-phase motor, our full load ampere, which is our line current, that is equal to the horsepower times 746 divided by square root of 3 multiplied by the line voltage. That is the voltage, the line voltage to be specific, multiplied by the efficiency multiplied by the power factor. So this is our formula in getting the line current. So, ito po ang ating formula. Okay? So, we are given here a 3-phase, no? But, the easier thing here in your question is that the full load ampere is already known. Binigay mo na to, no? Junel, 28 ampere, no? 28 ampere. Kaya madali na lang 'yan, no? So, how is this? We have here the size of, let us have now the size of the circuit breaker. Okay, because the question is the maximum rating of the molded case circuit breaker. So our circuit breaker is equal to 2.5 multiplied by the full load amperes. So we have here 2.5 multiplied by 28 is your given, and I will calculate this. So our answer is 2.5 times 28. The answer is exactly 70 amperes. 70. So that is my answer to your question, no? And that would be letter 70 ampere is exactly letter C. Okay? Junel, ito ang sagot natin sa iyong katanungan, 70. Okay? 70. Now, I want to, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to explore your question so that you will learn something. Okay, I will explore something here. Just in case you have a 10 horsepower, 230 volts, 3-phase. I will calculate the full load ampere. Full load ampere is equal to, according to the 3-phase formula here, so we have here 10, then times 746, then square root of 3. What is the voltage? The voltage is 230 volts. Okay. I will just assume with the efficiency here, so efficiency tsaka power factor, no? Halimbawa, no? Let's say for example, our efficiency is 85%. So, meaning it is 0.85. Okay? Then let's say our power factor is 0.8. So I will put here 0.8. Okay? So let's see what is the full load ampere. No? Let us see here. So we have 10 times 746. Then you press divided by. In your calculator, you press divided by square root of 3. Square root of 3. Okay? Then you press again divided by. For me, it is easier, no? After divided by square root of 3, then you press again divided by. Okay? 230. Then another divided by 0.85. And then again, divided by 0.8. And our answer is 27.538 or rounded up to 54 ampere. So that is 27.53857.422. Okay? Which is quite near to your 28 ampere here, right? You see? Okay? Pag ni-round off natin to 28 no? Okay? Although I just assume the efficiency here and the power factor. It's not given in the problem. You know, it happens in the licensure exam, no? Even in the college exam, no? Let's say your professor has insufficient data. Sometimes you have to make some trouble. We call this as a troubleshooting, no? Troubleshooting. You have to make a estimated or your wisest guess, no? Okay. If we mean estimate, you should think your best idea or your the nearest to a reality, what I mean, no? Kumaga malapit sa katotohanan, no? Kumaga assume ka. Okay? Ito, malapit sa katotohanan to eh. This is near to a reality that you can have an 85% efficient for your motor. Power factor, of course, that's possibility. Okay? So, we have 27.54, which is near to your 28, no? Our given here is 28. So, our answer here is 70 ampere, no? For this problem. Is it okay? Now, Sir Junel, Kajonel, is it okay? Speak in English. Okay? Okay. So, thank you.